Welcome back. You're watching DD India News. I'm Lipakshi Khurana, and moving on, the Reserve Bank of India will unveil its bi-monthly monetary policy decision today, with Governor Sanjay Malhotra set to announce the outcome of the Monetary Policy Committee's three-day meeting. Now, MPC chaired by Governor Sanjay Malhotra began the bi-monthly meeting on Wednesday, December 3rd. After slashing the repo rates for 3 consecutive months since February, the MPC kept it unchanged at 5.5% since August. Governor Malhotra had indicated last month that there was scope for further reduction. Now, the RBI is also expected to upgrade its growth forecast after stronger than expected first half numbers. And for more, we have Shama Mishra joining us on this. Well, Shama, what are the expectations from today's RBI monetary policy? Could we see another repo rate cut after the pause at 5.5%?
Well, Lepakshi, this time around, there's a mixed reaction to the RBI bi-monthly policy because this time around, there is data coming in from the GDP growth, which is above 8%. And this is a very strong data to consider while we are talking about the RBI expectations, policy expectations. On the other hand, as we always speak, that RBI's mandate is to keep the inflation in check, and this time around, the inflation is also under control, under the comfortable range of Reserve Bank of India. So as we are taking these data or these information into account, it is expected largely by the market experts that there'll be no changes this time. There'll be no changes this time around, and there's also a section of the experts that they are saying that there could be, a rate cut of 0.25 basis points. So there is a mixed reaction to this, but largely as we are expecting, and we are seeing the data also, there could be lesser chances, lesser room for the rate cut because the growth rate is good, and even the inflation data is in the comfortable range. Apart from that, there are global headwinds and there are persistent global issues that are going on. And this could be a headache, this could be a cause of concern for the Reserve Bank of India, and definitely they will be taking this into account because for the traders and for the industrialists, an increase of the 50% higher tariffs by the US and a continuous negotiation going on is definitely a cause of concern because the traders definitely want a clear picture over here, and we are not able to achieve that. We are not able to reach there, and this is what RBI will be taking into consideration. Apart from that, there will be so many other things which RBI would be focusing on as we are talking about the stance. So RBI could keep it as neutral, and going forward, if you're talking about the growth projections, RBI could take it up because growth data or indications are coming in pretty good. Apart from that, the inflation numbers or inflation projections could also be taken down. There could be changes in that as well because inflation is also good, and expecting for the next 2 quarters,
All right.
it is expected that the CPI inflation could be further down and will remain in the comfortable range of Reserve Bank of India.
All right. Thank you so much, Shama, for all those details. And moving on, the Indian rupee rebounded on Thursday after touching a new all-time low against the United States dollar, with traders attributing the recovery to likely intervention by the Reserve Bank of India in the foreign exchange market.